Hi everyone, in this video I am reacting to another one of Dylan NJ Buff's plane spotting compilation, this time again at Newark. And he captured 45 planes, and this took place January 30th, 2022. So let's get started here, starting with United Airlines Boeing 777 from ORD. I always admire those 777s. They're really huge planes. And there's a whole lot of Uniteds that go to Newark, so. Boy, this is phenomenal, like being able to film that while in a moving vehicle. It's very neat. United Express Embraer 175 from Boston Logan. New livery. That one had the new livery on it. I like the new livery. A320 from Austin. I like how you put the type, like the plane, the operator, and where it came from. That's nice. I see United A320s a lot coming from John Wayne Airport, as well as Boeing 737s like this one. That's very nice. I like the plane sounds too. Now a Dreamliner 787-10 from LAX. Not too far from here. Oh, and a high altitude plane up there. Oh, that was spectacular. Scandinavian Airlines A350. I think I caught that once, or some Scandinavian Airlines, I think. If I did, it was only once. Nice catch of the A350. When I kind of try and identify planes, the A350 and the 787 almost look similar, at least the front part. That's kind of how I could tell. This reminds me of going to LAX once and San Diego. When I went to San Diego the last time in 2019, I caught a Japan Airlines 787. Well, I wish to see a 747 that close. I've seen 3 A380s at LAX that went over my head nearly, but not a 747. I would love to see something like this. I've got tons of 747s, like high altitude, but not this close. This is going to be incredible. That's one of your best so far. That's one of your best so far. Nice. Wow, great job. Outstanding job. Spirit Airlines A320 from Atlanta. There's a lot of those that are at John Wayne Airport nowadays. Nice. United Dreamliner from San Francisco, I believe it said. I caught at least one of those at the LAX, United Dreamliner. Yeah, that's a very nice catch. I could tell that the sun is setting lower, so it... Oh, I got a helicopter in the back. Nice, and now you're following the helicopter. See, I can't really identify that from here, though. But nice catch nonetheless. But yeah, when the sun sets lower, it kind of like, it's hard to explain, like the color of the sky and then the planes in the foreground. It adds a very neat effect. 757 from Denver, United. I believe I caught a United 757 at LAX. Over here at John Wayne Airport, the 757s that it serves are UPS and Delta. It'd be neat if John Wayne Airport gets more 757s from different airlines. JetBlue A321. There's a lot of those that go to Daugherty Field, aka Long Beach Airport, but not at John Wayne Airport. I haven't seen a JetBlue over there. This looked like a fun afternoon and evening plane spotting. I hope to do that one time when I get time. I'm not so busy teaching, but I love teaching. But there's going to be days I'm not going to be teaching, so maybe I'll go to my local airport. DHC-8 Q400. Wow. I mean, I haven't seen one of those in years. It used to be at John Wayne Airport all the time. Those Q400s. Yeah, de Havilland DH-8D. Wow, spectacular. I always like seeing those. They're amazing looking planes. But unfortunately, they don't go to John Wayne Airport a lot. Neat. Almost looks similar to the ATR-72, which I haven't seen in person yet. Incredible catch. So, an outstanding job, Dylan. An amazing compilation. Keep up the great work. I'm thankful that you got into plane spotting because you take amazing videos. I'll leave a link to the original video in the description below. Have a nice day.